All right, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, I know I ain't supposed to be playing this music, but I'm just feeling like I need a little Wu-Tang in my life. What's going on, people? What's happening, Pablo? What's going on, Braveheart? Let me share this on X real quick, man. Man, Upstart's crazy, bro. Come on now. I need AI to get this move, man. AI, we're waiting on you, bro. Waiting on you. All right, let's share this out real fast. AI, I want $28.50 to $32. AI is taking this sweet time. Hey. Alright, 1 second. I'm just gonna post this on X real quick. Let everybody know we're on stream right now in case anybody wants to jump in. All right, it goes $53, bro. That is crazy, man. All right, AI, man. What are you doing? What are you doing? All right, what else we got going on here? Hey, Muhammad, what's going on, man? Welcome back. It's been a little bit. Good to see you, my friend. All right, just jumping on, seeing what's going on here, seeing how these stocks are moving. Oh, man. All right. SPY. New all-time highs. Again. Despite what the economy looks like, despite what's going on in the free world, we continue to move up as it has been ordained to do so. But I was feeling like a little bit of excitement today, so I put some Wu-Tang on. I need at least a little taste. And then I'll go back to putting the boo-boo music on. We'll do that. I'll see how they treat Wu-Tang, and then I'll go back to I'll double check on them later on to see how that's going. 1 second, hey guys. J. Cole, what's happening, man? All right, good stuff on that TSN, bro. Let's see how TSN. I'm waiting for a couple of moves to happen. I want you should be making some moves on TSN, bro. I can't not see TSN making moves. Yeah, it's still looking a little nice. It's still kind of formulating. Let me run that back, man. That was real nice, man. Hold on a second. Yeah, but TSN's looking good. Pablo, you on that ELF, right? You guys should be looking okay, man. You guys should be looking all right. Yeah, ELF. Forget about it. If you would have got those 111 calls and just ride them out, bro. 117 is coming real soon. All right, 117.11 is the target up there. So you just let that ride. I think you're giving enough time to play the play. I think you'll be just fine. All right, so good stuff, guys. Man, Upstart is Upstart, bro. Yeah. Man, this is a legitimate breakout. Upstart. We've been tracking this thing for a while. But sometimes you're just like, don't take your eyes off. You're looking for the next play, and then you realize the other play is running. Like, oh, hold up, I'm up 300%. Let's go. Oh, 400? Oh, we can keep going. Come on, let's push. So far, so good. But I really want to catch this AI breakout, man. This one right here is going to be one for the books, especially with like AI being obviously the talk of the town right now. You got robots dressed in spacesuits over here, or people dressed in robot suits, or whatever it is. You know, over at Elon's function over there. All right, over here perpetrating. It's all good though, man. What are you gonna do? All right, still got XLE. Yeah, XLE is gonna keep going, bro. I mean, I got out early. I got a little spooked by that whole situation with the crude oil stuff. But XLE is gonna keep going. I mean, XLE's got a move to what? At least $100, $97 to $100, if I remember correctly. we saw when I got out on that drop. Right now you retest the gold. You retested here. I played this move up to about $94. Got out on a drop in after hours. Right, perfectly fine. Made some money on that, and the swing was still in play. I saw what was it, like a few $1 million in $100 strike calls on this get entered on a retest of this wedge. Right, so there's really not much fear on it. They called it up. I'm pretty sure they made a bunch of money, and now you're right on top of the golden pocket. So this is still a play. No doubt about it. Not only did you move up and are holding support on the golden pocket, you did retest the 707, a yellow line. So you're in a great spot. Now you're probably gonna look for a potential breakout again on this thing, but you're probably gonna form a little bit of a wedge before the breakout comes. But so far so good. I think it's still coming. You're gonna do this. You hold the top of the golden pocket, and eventually, if you have enough time on these things, you'll break and just keep going. $97 should be target. All right, $97. You'll retest this previous high back here. So it still looks fantastic for upside, man. I don't really have any fear on this thing, but geez, upstart, man, this is ridiculousness. You just kind of forget about stuff sometimes. All right, let's see here. Yeah, they're gonna have to. Yes, this is right now. It's Cal 2000. This joint was energetic. It didn't get enough love back in the day. I think we're gonna have to have that conversation of one of the underground goats, man. I mean, I don't think Method Man gets enough credit. He's one of them, but it's just like he doesn't get that recognition sometimes when they talk about top 5. He's up there. He's definitely up there. All right, let's go back to keeping my eyes on AI, man, because that right now is the play. It's got to be it. Anybody who got into SoundHound, I don't know if anybody bought those shares. I think I mentioned to the Discord, I bought 500 shares at the time. Upstart is freaking going, bro. Holy crap! All right. The same day we entered those crowd fire calls. That was the same day we entered these upstart calls. Was that last week? It was a swing to 1025, and these things are good. It took a long time for it to get started, but it definitely upstarted. It took a little while, bro. They're here though. All right, so these AI's 27 calls up 5% from this morning, and I'm just waiting for these $28 calls to start to hit. Let's see here. These SPY calls. All right, here we go. How much time is left on that 8-hour? I want that 8-hour candle close. That's what I'm looking for the platinum cross up to take place. So waiting for that to actually happen, and then we'll start talking about some other things. But so far, the $600 calls on SPY up over 100% still, and had those for over 2 months. And here we are. I only wanted to see 582.96, and we're holding that as support right now, which is insanity. Let me just leave this for a second. And this is officially a breakout on the SPY. All right, so SPY is looking to start to head towards about 600 smooth at this white line after breaking out this ascending triangle. So now you're actually above it. You're above our resistance, or was supposed to be resistance line at 582.96. You're holding that as support. $600 is coming very fast. There's nothing up here to hold you down. That was my top, short-term top. My 620 is still my target. Has never changed. However, we're just waiting for the confirmation up there above 600 to really have that happen. But if we're above 582.96, it can happen quick. I mean, you figure it. We're only a few days away from election. Believe it or not, this went by really fast, man. To actually see us here now, after it felt like we blinked and this thing is over. But that's what it is. That's what we're dealing with. So we'll see how that winds up playing out election-wise. But either way, like I mentioned before, I don't think they want the company going into a situation where, or the country going into a situation where the stock market is weak while the election is going on. That's just not how things are designed. If there's one thing we know about the country, it's about keeping up appearances, and that's part of the whole game. They need things to look a certain way for optics purposes, and I think the stock market is one of those areas where they definitely need and want to see the same. Oh yeah, definitely, bro. Ex-girlfriend. Actually, that was with D'Angelo, right? Actually, now I'm gonna put that on. They're gonna have to send me another. Got these damn plays over here running. They can send me a bill, man. Whatever. Let's go. Let's go. All right. That was a good one. Ex-girlfriend, instrumental. Let's get that real quick. I'm just a little excited right now, man. Can't tell in my voice, but let's see here. Waiting for AMC and GME to hurry up and wake up. Alright, let's just chill right here. Alright. Trackmasters beat. You guys know them. Alright, those runners on upstart. Bro, it's crazy. Up 500%. And I'm just calm and cool, collected about it. You did the work already. Alright, let's go back to AI. I need AI. AI is the one I want to see, man. You can't hold AI down anymore. Enough. Let's go. Right, check that 8-hour time frame. Did we get the platinum cross yet? Are we gonna get the platinum cross? The drawings for a moment. Here we are till the day we die. All right, this is 500%. You guys like 500%ers, don't you? Well, here's one for you. All right, next. All right, Braveheart, what's happening, man? So AMC, GME are dead for now. Yeah, they're gonna hang out for a little while, and especially AMC is gonna hang out until GME is ready. You know, that's the name of the game. Like, there's no way around it. Like, this is what it is with AMC. What we do, the one thing about AMC's case is that we have the earnings coming up soon. All right, we're gonna have to wait for that to turn up. But this, if we're gonna start seeing the moves, it's gonna have to start happening within this week, all right, for the moves to really start to take place. I sold Crowdfire, but Crowdfire is gone. And yeah, Elf, bro, Elf. Pablo, man, you should be looking nice on Elf right now. 3% so far. Once you saw that 15-minute cross up, I'm like, this thing is gonna go, man. Platinum cross, was it Elf or was it, no, there was the other one. Yeah, once you got above here on Elf, 110 and held it, I'm like, this is gonna keep going. Really no way this is to stop it at this point. You cross the 300, you're going to 116. Is the next creek at 116, followed by 117. Just ride that all the way up. Just watch volume, but ride it all the way up though. More than likely, that's where you're going. AI is starting to come alive. I just want this one cross. I'm not asking for much. Just want this one cross, and I'll just go retire for the rest of the week. Don't do nothing else for the rest of the week. Just like, I don't know, just go chill somewhere on the beach. I don't know, find a beach to go to. All right, let's go to Tesla. Tesla's coming up with opportunity for 227 calls. If anybody is looking at Tesla seems to be finding some support down here, which is nice. But Tesla can potentially, I don't like it right now. I still don't like it. We'll go back to Uber, because Uber was the winner last week. And I know you said you were still in Uber calls last week, from last week, right, Pablo? So again, we talked about it potentially coming down to retest the breakout. You know, it did it slightly, but you want to give it a little time to start to, gear up. But it's common for it to, after a 12% move the other day, I mean, a pullback is just healthy. For it to keep going like that, that's opening the door for it to slam.
You guessed it, another talking head ad where
want that. You don't want that to slam. And they're gonna be all right. Today's a nice day. Today's a nice day. It's a very nice day today. So we're just going to let that go. And they're gonna have to just holler at me for a quick minute. Upstart is now up 15%, bro. Holy crap. I don't even know. I can't even get excited. They just kind of let it go. This is wild. I'm taking some off. Taking these off the table. Microphone check. All about to blow a lid from the pressure. Too hot for easy. Wanna be on, but easy. It's all together. Going on out together. We don't take much to please me. Upstart, my next target $64, guys. That is wild, bro. And Upstart could go. That's 15% on the day. I gotta take these. I can't just let this keep going like this. How's the volume looking? It just keeps going. Platinum cross up took place on the 2nd. So October 2nd. This has been running now since October 2nd. Once the platinum cross up took place, not only that, you had a breakout of the downtrend. And then you broke $48. My target was only $48. That's why I have $47 calls. But once it broke through, forget about it. This thing was ghost. And it's still going. He's now deep in the money. 536%, man. Wow. I'm in awe right now. All right, let's go back to, I don't know. Let me keep looking at AI. Keep looking at AI. I'm just going to keep my eye on Upstart, hold my composure, and wait for AI to do the thing. That's what I want to see happen. Got to give that a little time. I finally caught one of these freaking moves, though, man. JD pissed me off. I missed JD. I missed Master, MSTR. Finally caught this one, but it wasn't heavy enough. It was a small position, but that would have been nice, man. Let's see here. Hey, 2023 Gainer, what's happening? Yeah, Soundhound. I did pick up some shares of Soundhound, so yeah, that's what. This is another reason I'm waiting for AI. Right, AI is gonna go. The Soundhound up 66%. I have shares of Sound. I picked up shares at about $4.80, somewhere around there. So my shares are looking okay, but I don't have a lot of them. So I only picked up 500 shares. So as far as that's concerned, I'm up on my shares about, what is that? Where is it? Soundhound. About $165. That's not really, exciting, but it's low risk. Low risk, low risk. Low reward. No options. I should have probably bought options on it, but stretched across a lot of different plays. Kind of be responsible a little bit with it. I don't want to get too comfortable. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be still got to be adamant about what you're doing and pay attention to it. But yeah, shares up. The shares are up 6.73%, which is about $155 off of the 500 shares I picked up the other day. Let's see here. What do we got? The good stuff, 2033 Gainer. The BBAI 11%, NVDA 2%, VHAI thumbs down. I haven't looked at VHAI. That was a topic of conversation for a little while. Damn, Upstart, bro. Upstart can go to $65 today. That'd be insanity. Man, bro. This TA stuff works. All right, what we got? Appreciate everybody once again being on the stream. Make sure you guys hit the like button on the way in. While we wait for AMC and GME to do their thing, we're still going to continue to watch other charts, act as if they don't even exist. All right? We've taken enough money out of our pockets over the last couple of years, so we might as well do what we can elsewhere to reinvest back in later. What is going on elsewhere? So we got this Bitcoin situation. We've talked about it a few times here as far as Bitcoin is concerned, that we're waiting for a break above this level, and Bitcoin is right now about to break out. The level that we were talking about was 63,920. Once you got this 63,920 break, it was on. All right, that was it. Now that's the 30 moving average, which we were rejected off a few times. Had a false breakout once, a retest, broke back down, and caught the creek. On the 3 hour, you have another platinum cross up that gave us the next push up that we're seeing now. Broke the 30, pushing out of the downtrend. And once we fully clear this downtrend, my next target is 68,884. And this will finally start making its way up towards that 100,000 mark, which we've been talking about for a while now. And this is why we keep mentioning, hey, you should have some exposure to some of these crypto stocks, right? Like your Maras, like your, like Wolf, right? I'm probably never going to sell Wolf. I mean, I'm still in the ones. You know, all of them. Mara, Riot, list goes on and on. Master obviously is going crazy. Let's take a look at Master too. MSTR. Master, I had this on the watch list last week, didn't get into it. So that was this happened for the last 3 or 4 weeks. The only one that actually is caught, for me anyways, is this one on on this guy, Upstart. Well, not the only one. Actually, the other guy went really nicely the other day too. Crowd, but Crowd is already, actually, I don't think Crowd actually topped out yet. It's probably really close. Crowdfire, which is a reversal play. And yeah, this Upstart can go to 65 bucks. I'm just gonna hold it out and let it rock. Only these runners. I took the this couple here. Goodness gracious, man. Upstart is a monster, bro. That is crazy. Unbelievable. Alright, 1 second here. Gotta manage this position because now we're at levels that it looks crazy to even consider holding here. I'm gonna leave 2 runners. Well, 1 runner actually. I'm gonna take all of it off the table. This is wild. Yeah, this is crazy. All right, man. The strategy works. The strategy works. You just gotta work it. All right, let me go back. I'm trying to keep my composure here. Where's AI at? I'm listening to music today, bro. I don't want to hear that nonsense, man. This is a good day. This is a good day already, man. I just need AI to do the thing, man. If AI does this thing, bro, I'm telling you, man. I promise you. I might have just, I don't know, man. I might go buy a dolphin or something. Just go out and buy a dolphin. Like, yo, let me get that dolphin right there in the window. How much is that? All right, cool. I want that. Let me get a fishbowl too while we at it. Fishbowl big enough for a dolphin. All right, let's see here. Oh man, bugging today, bro. All right, what do we got? Oh, this is up 17%, dog. Holy crap, yeah. All right. Bear me a couple seconds, guys. Just got to get this all worked out. If anybody's looking to jump into AI, I mentioned it before. I've also mentioned this on Twitter. I'm actually in $27 calls on AI, which I picked up on that dip, and I'm waiting for an 8-hour platinum cross up on the 8 hour. I'm looking for a platinum cross up in a few minutes here. All right, well, not a few minutes. We still got 48 minutes left on this candle. I want to see a break above 27.56 and then get the platinum cross up on the 8 hour. That should send this thing up towards about $30. Yeah, so I'm waiting for that to actually happen. So I'm in $27 calls, also in $28 calls if anybody's interested in that. So you guys have an opportunity. Been watching this all day because that's the next big one for me. And then just go to bed. As simple as that, man. I don't know, man. It's crazy right now, bro. All right, 610%. It's gonna be 1,000% play, man. That's wild, bro. This is gonna be 1,000% play. Needed one of these. It's been a little while since we got one of these. TV, I thought I'd make them richer. All right, let me check Piton, because Piton had a $5 call opportunity, which is looking like a potential breakout on Piton as well. And there it is. So if anybody picked up those Piton calls I mentioned in Discord, guys, it's starting. It's above 502. Above 502, this thing could run to about $6. So here it is. Here's Piton's breakout on the 4-hour chart. I mentioned this earlier in Discord. This was in the watch list. So you guys, if you got an opportunity, I think this is the one. This is another one here for you. So Piton should start breaking out in a second here. The first real target is going to be the 5-hour 800 EMA at 511. Once you fully cross that, this thing is gone. All right. Jeez Louise, yo. Freaking upstart, bro. All right, here goes Piton. So Piton, you gotta get that a little time on these contracts. If you're gonna jump in now, it's $5 calls and let it ride up. But Piton, here it goes, man. So there it is. Piton breaking out 507. Watch for 511 here in a second. So where's AI at? Come on, AI, we need you too. Where you at? Elf is still going, looking good. Piton. Not Piton. AI. I need AI at. What are you doing? Waiting on AI. Come on now. All right, let's go back to Upstart, up 18% today, dude. This call's up 620%. Apologize here, guys. I'm kind of flustered over here watching this chart here, but I appreciate you guys as usual being up in here. You guys give me the energy, keep coming back, so I keep on doing it. Hopefully you're enjoying a couple tracks here today while I keep my mind straight while doing all of this. Bear me a few minutes and we'll start jumping into some charts, stuff like that. Just bear me just a few minutes while I watch these positions and hopefully see somebody else grab and come in here in a few minutes. let's go back. Let's go back and double check here. All right, William, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. AI, I actually got it for the 25th. I got into Johnny B. Bad. What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Bang. What's happening? AI calls, I actually picked those up here for the 25th. 25th is my average right now on the 25th for the 85 for the 25. Excuse me, the 28 strike. My average is 85 cents on those, and I picked up some 27s as well. Also for the same date, but that was when we dipped to 26. So I'm already green on those, and just waiting for the breakout on this thing to happen on AI in just a little bit. If you get the break, I'm looking for a full clean break above 27.52. Once that actually happens, that should give us a platinum cross up on the 8-hour time frame, and then from there, I'm looking for this thing to start to explode. Also, Peloton is happening right now as we speak. So it's Peloton. We're waiting for a 511 to break. This is fully in place for $5 calls. We're looking for a push to about 20. Not 20. That'd be wild. 590 would be my second target. My first target would be 558. So that's easily a 10% play. On options should do you real nice, but 511 will be the break zone. All right, so watch for that. But AI, I mean, AI this thing is primed. It's got to go. That's a big one. All right, let me go back here. Upstart stalled out. Almost 20%. Let's keep watching. If you definitely, I definitely would. I wish everybody would just learn this strategy, guys. I'm just saying. Yeah, bro. This can keep going for a little while. 1 hour crossed up. Back here a couple times. Retest, push, breakout. Broke 48.02, which was my target, and then from there, it's goodbye. This thing is going to $62. That'd be nuts. But I have a top target here, about $76 on this thing, but it may not all hit in one shot. All right, here comes Peloton here, 511. So 511 is the break zone. All right, once you get a full clean zone of a break above and hold above 511, which is going to be tough to break, but once it does go, it's going to be out of here. So this is going to be Peloton. Now, Peloton actually has had, this is a continuation from the major breakout move that it's had on the daily. All right. If we go back here, you can take a look and see that this has been gearing up for a major breakout for a little while now. All right, you finally got it. You found base support down here, roughly at about $2 and change. Yeah, $2 and change. Got your old friend here once again. Here's your V. Kind of a little bit of a quadruple bottom, but let's call it an Adam and Eve. A little bit of an Adam and Eve kind of look going to it. Now you have a high and tight flag off of this flagpole, and now you're just looking to break out and continue this thing. This is full recovery zone. You also have an inverse head and shoulders kind of played out, right? 1, 2, and 3. Go. All right. So it's looking real good for Peloton. Now, I don't really care about the company. But here it is. The opportunity is here. And Upstart is still going. Jeez. Alright. Gotta keep my composure here. I'm on live stream. I don't want to hit no backflips while we're on the phone. Hold on a second here, guys. Yeah. Well, a couple of players escaped, man, for the last couple of days. Alright, so here goes Peloton, 4.2%. Peloton is now above 511. This is the break zone, and lo and behold, I think they're starting to let go of the pedal on a lot of stocks, guys. They're taking their foot off the brakes on a lot of stocks. This, based on what I'm seeing right now, this is like squeeze on everything. I'm just saying. So let me go back to AMC and GME because I'm probably going to start seeing some movement here. They're letting their foot off the pedal, guys. They are letting their foot off the pedal. GME can start going right now, like as we speak. Hold on. J5, what's happening, man? Bro. I mean, if this continues going, I might have to get me one, you know, real soon. Or just slap an iPad on my bike over here. Let's go. I mean, let's do it, because this is GME is about to get started. I mean, right now they're letting their foot off the pedal on a lot of stocks right now. As I'm sitting here, everything's squeezing. This is going crazy. Well, everything that's aligned with risk-off assets right now, based on what I'm saying. GME is going to start going like now. All right, so I'm watching. Again, we want to see 21.24 break. That's the money line. You start seeing 21.24 break. I think we're gonna start pushing. AMC, let me double check where you at right now. It's back above 418. Luckily, I mean the volume on AMC is still absolutely atrocious, but it's above 418 at least. Let's at least say that. Luckily, we're above 418. All right, this movement on Bitcoin. I gotta. This is part of it, in my opinion. All right, based upon what Bitcoin is doing right now. Right, it's a risky asset. It's a risky asset class. You get out of this situation, and you can start really moving on a couple of different things that are risk basis, right? Or that are risk adjusted. So in this case, we can start to really see some moves. GME can really start going like probably today or tomorrow. All right. We did get a this is serious though. Hold on. All right, Upstart. What do we got? Bro, we buying dolphins out here, bro. Yeah, bro. Hey, we buying dolphins this week, Pablo. No problem, man. We getting some dolphins, man. You know what I'm saying? Dolphins, throw a tattoo on the side. You know what I mean? That's how we doing with these dolphins, bro. Pimping these dolphins out, man. Oh snap! All right, let me. I'm like losing it right now. Hold on a second. All right, let's go back to see what's going on with Wolf and stuff like that, because let's go to Wolf real fast, because I believe. Come on, AI, you got to do this thing. We are waiting on you. Cute McMahon memes. Oh man. All right. Anyways, let's go back to GME. Let me confirm what I'm seeing here, because it looks with GME they might let their foot off this pedal. What's let me see. KView is one I was watching for a while back. Is KView doing something? Yeah, KView is finally starting to push up as well. KView, yeah, KView, forget about it. KView been gone, but it's catching off. All right, KView is still doing a thing. Let me take a look at GME. Is going to get started like now. I mean, like seriously. All right, I don't know if you guys caught that video I put out the other night, but GME is really queued up right now. Like, I mean, there's nothing else outside of what we are right now in GME. If GME starts going, yeah. First Bitcoin went, right? All crypto's going. SPY is at new all-time highs. They're gonna let their foot off this pedal, bro. I'm just saying. Let's get this. Let's close these Elliott waves out for a second, and. Yeah, we ready, man. We ready. Come on now. Let's follow through. So we're right at breakout zone on GME. Right here. All right, we were right here trying to break this red downtrend. Fully need to break above 21.24 for this to really fully finally be done. So let's take a look at our momentum zones. I mean, this is as tight as it can get. 2021, 22.16 after that. But this is it. 21.24. It's got to break. Holding above the daily creek line nicely. Yeah, this has got to go, man. All right, I'm going to load up some more GME here. let's see here. Bitcoin is just doing a breakout thing. Let's go back to AI. Come on, AI. We waiting on you, bro. We are waiting on you. I mean, it's right there, too. Like, it's right on the breakout zone. AI has been punched down for too long. This is right here. Like, come on. You guys see that chart right there. All right, you guys can clearly see where we are. This would be a breakout of a long-term downtrend that was established since 2020. If we can get this break and push above, this thing is gonna start. And this AI can go. If you guys remember how AI was last year when the AI craze first really started, back into it, like last year, this thing was a rocket. All right, we played this move all the way up to like $48. Made a bunch of money on this thing last year. So I know it can do it again. Like, I'm like really positive. And if this thing gets a breakout from a yearly downtrend, this thing is gonna just be out of here. All right, so just maybe a couple weeks at best. Especially if the SPY is moving the way the SPY is moving, forget about it. You guys have been here, several different weeks or for longest. You guys have been here with me throughout this whole entire process for the last few months even. We have talked about the SPY touching this level a while back now. We still have $600 calls. Those are up pretty nicely, over 100% as we speak. And these $600 calls are purchased back when we were around 540, and we've now officially broken in the uptrend of this wedge. So this could continue. There's not really much in the way, as long as it holds above 582.96. There's not much in the way of SPY not going to $600 at least. I'm still want to see 620. I haven't removed that level here for quite a while, so you guys know what time it is with that. But we're leading into the election. All right, we talked about this earlier on today. The 582.96. Once you start holding above that, there's no doubt in my mind 600 at least is coming. So that's a psychological number. So I have to at least put it there. It's a solid flat line. I'll just do that, just because it's people expecting to hit numbers that end in a zero. It's just kind of how it is. Traders or algorithms or whatever they may be, $600 should be a target. You probably like end off at like 599.97 and then reject. That's pretty common. All right. All right, P-Time, man. I only got a little bit left on that, but I'm gonna not P-Time, excuse me. AI, I'm waiting for AI to do the thing. Let's go back to P-Time. How you doing, P-Time? All right, P-Time, if anybody picked up those calls, you should be up nice. All right, you should be up nice. P-Time is a slow mover, but it's a breakout. So this is looking like an official move. As long as y'all hold above 511, this thing is going to continue to go. Send this out real fast because I think we're about to see some moves, man, on the market. Let's see here. right, GME guys. Yeah, we have to have a powwow about this. This is about to it's about to get for real. It's about to get for real right now. Let me go back to these GME calls. This is about to get wild, man. I'm just want to point it out. I think today is the day, guys. I'm trying to just look at what happened with Upstart. Let me just take a look at Crowdfire again. And AI is going to be a monster. Crowdfire came down. That's fine. We got out of that the other day. It's fine. Just want to look at it. But yeah, I gotta say, guys, Coin is going nuts. Wolf, as usual, nothing really outside of the norm for Wolf. Wolf can do 10-20% like it's blowing its nose. Yeah, but GME is about to start going, man. This is not a drill. All right, I'm just wanna. This is not a drill. All right, you are now officially just broken the downtrend on GME, guys. Okay, yeah, GME is about to start to go. So just be clear about GME right here, guys. 21.24. You break 21.24, forget about it. This thing is going to be out of here. That's the line in the sand. Yeah, GME is about to pick up steam like now. It just broke the downtrend off of, yeah. GME's going, guys. All right, I'm getting excited again. Gotta try to relax for a second. Shout out to everybody up in the stream. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel. We'd love to continue to have you here. We do this every day between 10:30 and about 12 p.m. noon, going into the lunch hour or whatnot. But so far, we got some beautiful movement about to happen here on our favorite stocks. AMC should start following suit soon. I mean, it's a little, as long as it's above 418, that's all I want to see. But as we speak, GME, it just broke the downtrend. That's what I want to see, at least to get started. And then from there, we should start to break above 21.24. That's the real one. Break above 21.24. It's a wrap. I have to buy some more GME as we speak right now, guys. I'm not gonna joke around over here. Let's do this here. All right, GME. What do we got? I want to keep my eyes on AI. Appreciate you guys once again being up in here. All right, let's go back to. Hey, Craig, what's going on, man? We're here. Hey, okay, so guys, AI is getting started as well. So again, risk off assets are in play. So AI, did you guys pick up the AI call? Let me know in the chat right now if you picked up the AI call. I want to know who's on this thing. And GME is almost, oh my gosh, mine's some more GME. Hold on a second. Hold on, GME. Talking about 1,000%ers. Yeah, hold up. Oh man, I'm about to lose it out here today, bro. They picked the right day. Hold on a second. All right, so AI is breaking out. Piton also has the breakout confirmed. I mean, gotta keep eyes on a couple different plays, guys, so bear with me. All right, so Piton got the breakout. Boom, 5:15. So if you guys picked up the Piton call, that should be going. The GME, we need 21.24. AI, we need 27.52. Once you break above 27.52, AI is gone. Waiting for the 8-hour platinum cross-up to take place here in a few minutes. Once that is confirmed, this thing is ghost. All right, it is on its way. All right, so we are right here. That's what I'm looking for, that 8-hour platinum cross, and this thing is out of here. All right, so GME is getting really close to 21.24. Piton's looking really good. All right, this is a great day. Let me go to follow up on this other joint real fast. Bear with me. All right, good stuff, man, Pablo. Good stuff. We just waiting for that to hit. You know what time it is, man. When you get that 8-hour, forget it. That's what we're waiting for. How much time is left on this candle? We got 23 minutes, 24 seconds on AI. GME, just grab some more GME. I'm looking for, once you get 21.24, this is a breakout of the downtrend from the $80 move that we got in pre-market and post-market in May. All right, this guy right here. This is the breakout of the downtrend. You're finally breaking out of this. GME can start to go, like soon, like very, very soon. So Let me get rid of this macro trend. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of those couple trend lines and just look at the. Actually, I'll leave the trend lines for now. Time window. Get rid of that. Actually, a time window is playing out right where we said it would. So October 9th was the start of this move. All right, that's the time window is playing out so far. And October, and then we have till November 6th. I think November 6th is actually AMC's earnings call. All right, so we're watching for that to happen. So now we need this to go to the upside. Let's see trend lines. We'll leave that. We'll leave this as it is. Okay. All right. So far so good. Let's get the levels out of here. We'll lose levels for a second. Just watch the trend lines for now on GME. All right, 21.24 is on the way. Major resistances, 23.57, $25.84. Oh, GME is pushing, guys. Oh, snap. All right, this is code red right now. It's code red. It's code red right now. All right, 21.24 is coming up on GME. This is yeah, all hands on deck. All hands on deck. All right, let me hold on a second, guys. That's too many things going on. AMC doing nothing. All right, once GME breaks out, and you see 21.24 hit, there's no way AMC stays down here anymore. AMC has to break $4.25. So I got to put up AMC as well. So AMC, 425 for AMC. Once AMC breaks 425, we should start getting a 1 hour push. A push on a 1 hour time frame. GME is right there. Oh, snap, GME. Hold on. Bro, it's hey, Positive Insights. What's going on, man? Oh, man. Hold on. I'm losing it out here. All right. Okay. This is not a drill. This is happening. All right, let me move AMC back up here. All right, AMC's back on. So AMC just got a buy signal on AMC. AMC just got a 1 hour buy signal on shaft trend cycle here. All right, that green. AMC just got a 1 hour buy signal. So now GME's at 21.24. All right, here comes the party, guys. This is it. This is it. Yep, 21.24. GME's running, guys. That's it. This is gonna start now. Like it's gonna start now. Like the way things are moving, like the whole market is going nuts. They're letting their foot off the brakes today. Yeah, here it is, guys. 24. There's 21.26. This is happening. This is it. All eyes on me. Let's go. Oh, snap. GME just broke through. All right, guys, it's time. It is time. It is officially time to start going. Like, for real. GME's on its way to $23 today. Come on, AI. You the last one. You're our last. Let's take a look at that volume. Where are you at on volume? AI volume is picking up to the upside. Come on, you're the last one. P-Ton up 5% today, guys. If you picked up those $5 calls we talked about, you should be up a bag right now. All right, GME, guys, is officially broken out. All right, this is it. $21.40. $21.40. All right. resistances and money lines. Money line up here, 23.57. Major resistances, levels, boom. All right, so we're above the first money line. 21.24 was it. All right, next target, 21.59. All right, AI is starting to get ready. It's pushing out. 27.40. Come on, AI. AMC is now at 421. Come on, AMC. AMC also now officially in the game. Oh, yeah, GME is about to go, yo. I don't think anybody's ready right now for GME. I don't know if you guys are ready for this move that's about to happen on GME, bro. I don't think anybody's ready right now. I don't know if anybody's ready. Let's take a look at a couple of oh my gosh. All right, let's see. We just talked about this on the shout out to anybody who caught that video last night. That's a 40-minute long video breaking down GME level by level. Hopefully you guys caught that. I posted that last night on X. Not on X, on YouTube, but I put the link on X. If you guys saw that, you should hopefully be prepared for this move that we're about to start to experience on GME. I called it buy everything, buy all, buy everything, whatever the hell I called it. But hopefully you guys took me up on that point. But so far so good. This is looking lovely. 21.59 needs to break. That's the next target to break on GME. Buy it all. I think that's what I called it. Buy it all. So yeah, buy it all, guys. Not financial advice though. All right, 21.59 is next target up. AMC 422. Craig Murray, what's happening, man? I love the popcorn. Popcorn is starting to pick up as well, my friend. Popcorn's gonna follow behind AMC, behind GME. Remember that. This is it. This is the beginning. Yes, 21.52 on GME. All right. Whew, shout out to everybody up in here once again. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, man. We're watching this whole thing happen live and direct, unfolding right before us, and watching this thing level by level. You already seen what we did with the SPY. Now it's time to see it on AMC and GME, man. Here we go. Here's 21.56. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh snap. I'm about to lose my mind over here, man. You guys. I'm about to lose my damn mind, bro. Oh snap. It's 21.59. Oh, there it is. There it is, 21.60. Oh, snap. Hold on. Yes, I'm still listening. Put that song back on, bro. 21.61. Up. Platinum cross up. Just hit. You see that little plus sign just popped up. Oh, snap, bro. You see that plus sign? Platinum cross just hit. This thing is going to start erupting, man. This is the 15-minute time frame. So you guys got the up. It just disappeared. Up. It came back. Watch that. It's a platinum cross up just hit on the 15-minute. This thing is going to start moving, guys. 22.16 just hit. All right, see that plus sign right there just popped up. That little cross. That's a platinum cross up on the 15-minute. We need confirmation in the next few minutes. Confirmed above 21.59. You will start seeing GME start rocking it off, man. Holy goodness. All right. All right. Gotta keep my composure here. AI, what are you doing? 27.41. Let's see here. AMC 20. Here's AMC $4.25. Again, above 425, AMC will see. Will retest 442, which was the 30-day moving average, which started this whole rejection situation. Again, we talked about 418 being the area, inverse head and shoulders, and now we're just going to revisit where everything kind of fell off. If you break that weekly 30 moving average, we talked about this in the past, you break above that, you will start to see an eruption in AMC's price, which will bring us all the way back up towards about the 490 mark. If you get that move above 441 exactly, you will see an eruption move. All right, 490 is what we need to break into in order to break the creek and start seeing a move up towards the higher numbers we need to see. Again, about $9. So keep a look on this. What time is it? 11:46. All right, good, good stuff, man. All right, thank you, Maze. I appreciate it, man. Definitely. This is not a drill, man. It's game over. John, what's going on, man? Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, Lewis, what's happening? 527? Yeah, 527 will be on the way real soon. Real soon. But this is legit right now. This is not a game. They are letting their foot off the brake on a lot of stocks, man. I'm waiting for this AI move. All right, we're waiting for this AI move to happen. This one is a big one. AI has legs to push. And we are right now about to experience another platinum cross up on the 8 hour. This is what I want to see. All right, that should be enough interest momentum to push through this thing through. My target on this thing will be about $32.66 if we can get this push. Well, first target anyway. If it decides to keep going, then forget it. This thing's going to 48 bucks. But this is a daily breakout, and we're about to get the cross up if we can hold above 27.52 on AI. That's a big one. All right. Let's go back to. All right, GME's chilling a little bit. It got rejected a little bit here. That platinum cross got rejected for a second on the 15-minute. You don't want that happening. You get that full cross up, this thing will push out of here, regardless of what this daily level is. This daily level is sitting right now at 21.45, and then you get about 21.59. If that holds and break above 21.59, this thing is going to start moving to 22.16, and then finally the next money line is at 23.57, which is the 100 moving average on the daily. All right, you guys should be making this money here on AI, guys. Also, Peloton, that should have been money for you guys as well. That's two back-to-back throwing out right here. Boy. All right, Upstart cooled off. I took one more off the table. Upstart went over 600% today. All right, that was a play. Now, once I'm seeing this, I'm watching these guys in real time let their foot off the brake pedal on a lot of these stocks. All right, so let's just. This was pretty evident with Bitcoin starting to run. All right, when Bitcoin broke above that level, which we talked about in the past, it was 63,900. Here goes AI. Here goes AI, guys. It's getting really close. 27.50. I'm in $27 calls, also in $28 calls for next week, the 25th. All right, we need AI 27 and 28s. The 27s are deep in the money now at this point. And the 28s should be on their way in a little bit. So we're watching for a breakout. This is a long-term downtrend, and we have all of this hype behind AI. You got robots and ninja suits over here at the Tesla conference, and you know AI wasn't part of the game. Nah, enough. It's time. I think this stock is wound up, ready to go, man. None of that. So we definitely hopping into that. Hopefully you guys picked up a little bit on this. Should be going green. Oh yeah, that creep protection is real. They protect it. Up here goes 27.52. 27.52 on AI. Come on now. I have one runner remaining on Upstart. It's a hell of a day today, guys. The SPY calls are still up over 101%. These again we picked up around the $540 mark on SPY, so holding on to those. GME, they didn't want GME yet. They're not ready. They're not ready. They protected it. We're waiting for a little bit of time. You need that 15-minute cross-up to take place in just a few here. Once that crosses, you should see a move. But they got protected at the daily rejection here, the daily target. It's a blue one here. AMC, without GME going, AMC is going to stay right where it is. So you know, keep that in mind. AMC's got no juice on its own at this point. Look at this volume. Like this, it's dead, right? There's nothing that AMC can do that can cause it to go on its own, unless something happens with, you know, Adamarin right now. Other than that, there's no juice on this thing for it to push up on its own. It's all GME based. All right, here comes AI, guys. It's on the way. 27.52 has just broken. The creek line is at 27.72. You break that, that'll be an official breakout. And I'm waiting for this 8-hour platinum cross-up to take place in just a few minutes here. We got 8 minutes left on this candle. I want to see us above 27.70 on AI. This should be a major breakout. This is not broke. If you liked what you saw on Upstart, if you like what you saw there, watch out for AI. These are two of my biggest plays last year. AI's move all the way up to 70 bucks. Sorry, not AI. AI up to 40 bucks, and Upstart up to 70 bucks. All right, and it has happened again on Upstart just recently, Well, that's today, obviously. And they're doing it again. So I know they have legs to run. Hopefully this works out well for you guys if you guys picked up a spot on these. But this is it. All right, AI's pushing. There it is. Here comes 2761. Here it comes. 2762. I need 2772 to break, and then we should be off to the races, man. I'm looking for 32 bucks on this thing. All right, GME. You almost got me excited. GME's relaxing a little bit back to 2122. I want to see a whole 2124. That is the line in the sand on it. Appreciate you guys once again being here. Keep an eye on this thing. Hopefully it's helping out one way or another to at least get you in position to be prepared to what we're about to see on these things. And hopefully at very most making you some money or just some entertainment while we talk about what's happening in the markets and so on and so forth, guys. Do appreciate all the support and stuff like that, and like buttons, interacting with the video, talking, chatting, laughing, all that good stuff in between, you know. But ultimately, we're here to try to provide value for one another, create that environment and the space to kind of be free to talk about what we need to talk about in terms of the market and just bouncing ideas off each other, right? You can go far alone, but you can go further with others, and that's the whole point, creating a community. All right, we need 2124 back above on GME or back above 2124 on GME. AMC, as long as it holds above 418, the downside, in my opinion, is a wrap. We should start seeing some upside, and we're waiting right now for boy, this 8 hour. I just can't wait to see this 8 hour cross, bro. It's going to erupt. I like the volume still picking up to the upside. All right, notice volume on AI, excuse me. I almost said upstart. All right. The 1 hour is it's going to try to break through this creek line. All right, once it does, 2772, you will start to see movement. Next to that first target after that is a 2840. All right, here comes 2772 on the way. 2772. Here it is. I have one runner left on Upstart. That one is now up. Well, it's one last one. It's at 575%. This is wild, bro. AI $27 calls are now up 43%. AI $28 calls are up 10%. Just waiting for those to actually start to materialize. So we have both of those right now lined up. GME's back above 2124. That's exactly what we need to see. Exactly what we need to see. So the move was officially started by a platinum cross up on the 5-minute time frame. Shot this thing upwards, and now we're hanging about above the daily and monthly. All right, we're sitting right on top of those. We're looking for the daily break and then a move above 2159. Yeah, we listen to music today, man. I don't care what they could send me the bill, man. We just hit 1000% of it today, bro. They could send me the bill. Whatever it is, man. Whatever we gotta work out with them, we'll work it out. Well, damn near 1000%, 600%. Come on, man. All right, appreciate everybody up in the building once again. Light touches. Let's see here. Hey, what's going on, Zombie Cow? SRRK? Sure, we'll take a look at it, man. First time I'm hearing that ticker, though. I've never heard of it before, but let's find out. SRRK. SRRK. Let me do it. I need to watch these other ones. Piton, still holding on to that. Still holding on to Upstart. And just loaded up some more GME here. So just give me 1 second. Just waiting for this move here on Peloton. Oh, not on Peloton, excuse me. On GME to continue. So there's a platinum cross here on Upstart on a daily, came back down, retested it, and then pushed right back out. Broke the downtrend and started running. But that would have been the entry point for a swing. Let's take a look at SRRK. Just gonna watch these for a little bit. SRRK. Bear with me 1 second, guys. Take a quick call. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Thanks for being patient on that. Just had to take a quick phone call. I was doing the charting while I was talking. They're like, hey, why are you so quiet? I'm like, I'm charting right now, but don't worry about that. I'm on stream, and we're just going over some stuff. So, appreciate you. All right, so this is SRRK. So it does look like a high and tight flag off a push. Looks like some news probably that boosted this thing out by 8%. This thing looks really nice. The daily was winding up really nice in advance. I mean, it's pretty easy to see if you look at it from a longer time frame. Golden pocket, you're sitting on top of it now with this push up and out. All right, you got this whole setup here where you are kind of just bouncing off the bottom of the golden pocket with at the 0.618 was at $24 and change. You probably at just about that today. 25 bucks was the low. You push back above the 0.65 at $26, and you're gonna go back and retest the 707 one more time. If you break the 707, because right now at about 30 bucks, you will go to 35. That's pretty expected at this point. Let's take a look at the volume. All right, volume wise, what do you got? You have now officially formed the high and tight flag, and you're just kind of looping around. As long as you hold above $28 and $28.54, you should start to see continued upside, man. So $28.54 should take you up as long as you can hold up here. $28.54 can push you up to about 30 bucks, and then you're looking for a move back to 35. This looks pretty solid. Volume is a little bit low. I mean, that's, you know, to be expected because it's such a parabolic move to the upside. If this continues to hold up like this and you start to get volume trickling back in, you will see another move. All right, so do pay attention to it. It looks good. It looks pretty strong from here. Let's see here. All right, 1 second. Let me make sure of the chat. But I'm probably gonna have to get ready to run out of here in a second after that call. 1 second here. No Diddy. Oh snap! I didn't realize to see him playing. Hey, bro. I will be in chart, and I didn't realize the music that was in the background. I can't support that. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, let that go. No Diddy, though. No Diddy. No, none of that Diddy nonsense. They're not doing that. Gotta get that off here. I didn't realize I was in the background.
Unlock the world's largest, most
shout out, man.
Financial market with 4.
We got Diddy out here. No Diddy, no Diddy, no Diddy, no Diddy, though. All right, so we got that should work out nicely, man. No problem, Zombie Cow. Good stuff. Hey, no doubt, D. You got it, man. All right. So, I appreciate it, D, man. No doubt, definitely. All right, Pablo, we got that set. All right, good stuff, man. So far, so good. So we're watching. Go back to GME. We continue to watch this thing. As long as it can hold above 21.24, that's the party starter. Keep that going. We're watching AI as well. AI needs that break above 27.72. We hit 27.70 so far. So once you get above 27.72, we should get an 8-hour platinum cross. I want to see us hold above 27.52 to try again. All right, that would be nice. Hold above 27.52. We try again. We get another loop around here, push down, and then just try to break it one more time. Once it's broken, I'm looking for 28.50. All right, right in this range here. At first, I don't know why it's looking so far away. It's actually much closer in terms of where. Actually, no. Let me fix that. I want to make this line as sharp as I potentially can. But 28.50 is the next target after you break 27.72. Oops. Let's fix that. It'd be right here. So it's not officially broken out yet. It's very close. But we don't officially break out till we break 27.72. So we're almost there. So we haven't broken because it was starting to look like it already did. It has not. We need it above 27.72. Once it does break out, I'll be looking for 28.50, and then I'm looking for $32. So those are your two targets here off of this move on AI. All right, that's at least. AI can go even harder than that. However, based upon where it's had some issues here a couple different times, it's a little bit of a pivot zone. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. It goes on and on and on. That area right there is going to be pretty strong. After you got a little bounce here, you lost it. So 7 times tested and lost. If you can fully break above that, AI can like really be out of here. All right, and we talking about going to 50s or so. Very similar to what we just saw with Upstart. All right, so do watch out for this particular type of move. If that's the case, then we'd be playing this large or that guy. All right, get above here, our old friend, and you start going up here. All right, that's highly possible. So watch Upstart AI. All right, this is not a not a joke stock. This can make you a bunch of money if it breaks out the way I'm expecting it to potentially do it. So keep an eye on Upstart, man. On AI. Wow. All right. Well, guys, I'm going to have to get ready to run here. I do appreciate you guys spending time here with me. You could have been anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me, and I totally appreciate you. Make sure you're hitting that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you haven't watched the video on GME to get clarity on exactly where I believe we're heading over the next couple of weeks, check that out one more time. Keep note of a couple of things I say there, and hopefully it helps you out in your journey on this thing, and we get to this freaking bag. All right, guys? So let's make sure you keep your eyes on. I'm going to say peace to everybody that's in the building here. All right, let's take a look. We got Pablo, Braveheart, Muhammad, J. Cole, you guys already know. All right, who else? 2023 Gainer, Bang. William, appreciate you guys. John, appreciate you, my friend. J5. All right, Craig, Positive Insights, all day. I got Maize and Blue. Appreciate you, man. All right, who else? Lewis. Zombie Cat, all you guys, D, you guys already know what time it is. Appreciate all you guys being here once again. We'll be back here tomorrow, same time, same place. You guys know where to catch me. All right, we'll be back here tomorrow to continue to watch this thing happen, man. So take it easy for the rest of the day. Keep the conversation going. Hit me up on Twitter if any questions pop up. Also, if you guys are interested in checking us up in the Discord to catch these plays before they actually happen on the research that we do. All right, check a look at the link in the description. The invite to Discord will be there, as well as the idea for the strategy that's used. If you guys want to skip the Discord part, just do the strategy. Just go ahead and hit that link here. That's in the description for the Platinum strategy. All right, take a look at that, and we will chat later. You guys have a good rest of the day, and let's watch this thing go upwards like we all expect to see. All right, peace, y'all. Talk to you guys later.